Okay, here I'm going to start with my number 7 attachment, put it on my clippers. I like to pull the front forward a little bit and then start a little bit behind that on the top of the scalp. And I will go against the growth of the hair, working all the way around his head. This will take a little bit, so I'm going to speed it up. Next, I take my number 6 attachment and I'm going to come down a little bit from where I was and kind of overlap a little bit of what I've already done. Where you see I'm working on right now, I'm going to work all the way around the head in that same couple inches of space. All right, here's my number 5. I'm just going to come a little bit lower, doing the sideburns, and I'll go around the back of the head in the same amount of space. And essentially this is what I'm going to do all the way on his head, just moving down numbers and working lower and lower on his head. Here I'm going to use my Phillips hair trimmer and a comb. I'm actually going to start with the sideburns over here. I kind of like to measure off a spot based on the ear and just press and pull down. And I'll do it around his ear as well and kind of try to clean it up that way. Now, I accidentally did not press record when I trimmed this, so I'm showing you a picture of what it did look like, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on a head that I had just trimmed, if that makes sense. So I like to kind of start off to the side and work my way down just slightly diagonally, not a perfectly straight across line, and I'll do that all the way across and meet at the same point on each side of his head behind his ears. Okay, here I'm going to use my scissors and my comb. I grab a front section there, kind of in the middle, and I use that sort of as my baseline, my guide for the rest of the hair, and I kind of try to measure off of that. So however short I go here, I won't really go any shorter anywhere else. I like to come back in with the 6 on this guy and kind of clean up the front a little bit to make it a little more even. Those long pieces there really weren't looking quite right. So I'm going to clean that up on the front. I put a tiny bit of water and hair gel in his hair, and voila,